Sliding doors on your time machine close automatically. For your safety, remain seated. And exit inside the vehicle. And please wash your shoes.
Front row, let's go!
Sliding doors on your time machine close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands on your feet and legs inside the vehicle.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
Where are we from? Where are we from? Let's be from Seattle. McCord Air Force Base. We're from Seattle. From Washington State today, guys.
Created the world we know today, and then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next right idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. Inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, signs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? In fact, the Phoenicians, they invented them. ancient Greeks were great inventors of the future. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching using the subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the learning of a high technology we enjoy today. Rome created powerful empires. All their armies and system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and is leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Communication technology races headlong into the future, and soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
And he's off on another gold medal run. Jesse Owens makes America proud with 4 gold medals at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin.
Perhaps the biggest news story of 1928 appealed to air.
By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but instantly huge. They're as big as the house. The solution comes, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our Spaceship Earth.
Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backwards. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backwards for your return
to Earth. For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun, shall we? On your computer screen, ask for a new question. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future is green. Your pedal-powered bike requires no fuel, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. Your garden is filled with fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and rocks, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption. Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing the natural carpet. And the beach is never far away, thanks to digital displays that create the environment you prefer.
Who's that
You can live
guy?
the good life and the green life in your home in the country, because because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
That was good, guys.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and away from the moving platform.
Welcome back, time travelers. Please watch your step.